Can you demo SCTE-35 and the flexibility that you've built into your SCTE-35 feature set?
Okay, what I'm going to do here is very much for the techies amongst you. So I'm going to share the screen. What I'm actually going to show you is some code. So this is for the techies amongst you. Don't glaze over. There'll be another bit of demo I'll show you in a bit that doesn't look anything like so scary. But for the techies amongst you, this might trigger your interest. So this is a piece of Norsk code. This is code that you guys would write, you guys would own. This is in TypeScript, but you can use essentially any language. And this is pretty simple stuff. We're creating an RTMP server just here. We're setting up a bunch of CMAF outputs here. So a little bit of config to do part duration, segment duration, that sort of thing. We are subscribing those together. So we're joining the dots. And that's it. That would run, that would take in this case, an RTMP input, and it would output it to CMAF. Down here is where it gets interesting. And this is something that you'd never want to do, but for the techies amongst you, you hopefully will get the idea, is that we're going to go and grab a schedule date to be 10 seconds in the future, and we're going to go and throw an add marker in. And the add marker, this particular one's a insert command. You get to choose your break duration, your program IDs, all the rest of the stuff. You can see it all sat there. And you just go through that at your output, and that's it. If you start imagining the flexibility you've got, that's all your own code. You can have that add marker and its insertion triggered on events that are happening in the source, events that are happening in your database systems, in your eventing systems, through integration with your ad subsystems from other third parties. We don't manage the ads ourselves, but we can certainly integrate with those. You suddenly get massive flexibility, and as your ad partner comes up with new functions that they can offer, you get the ability to control how that flows into your workflow, which in a way with a appliance-based model, you're very much restricted to what they're going to let you do. If you watch this video before NAB, come see us at the NAB stand, because we're going to have a very shiny demo of this available there.